In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and turn on OneDrive files on demand in Windows 11 and 10. This feature is incredibly useful for managing your files efficiently while saving disk space on your computer. Whether you're using Windows 11 or 10, the process is fairly straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make the most of it. First, let's begin by making sure you have OneDrive installed on your system. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, OneDrive typically comes pre-installed, but it's always a good idea to check for the latest updates. You can do this by navigating to the system tray on the lower right corner of your screen. There, you should see a cloud icon representing OneDrive. Go ahead and click on it, and if prompted, sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you're not signed in, follow the prompts to complete the login process. Once logged in, click on the cloud icon again to bring up the OneDrive menu. Look for the gear icon labeled Help Settings at the top right corner of this menu and click on it. A drop-down will appear. From these options, select Settings to open the OneDrive Settings menu. In the OneDrive pop-up window, navigate to the Settings tab. You'll find a section called Files on Demand. This feature allows you to access files directly from your OneDrive without having to download them to your device, thus saving significant hard drive space. Make sure the checkbox next to Save Space and Download Files as you use them is selected. If it's not, go ahead and check it. Turning on Files on Demand works similarly on Windows 10 and Windows 11, providing a seamless way to manage your files across your devices. This setting ensures that files are stored in the cloud, which is particularly great if you're working with limited storage space. Once you've checked this option, click on the OK button to save your changes and exit the Settings menu. Now, Files on Demand should be activated on your device. To check if this feature is working correctly, open File Explorer and go to your OneDrive folder. You'll notice three distinctive icons next to your files indicating their status: a cloud icon for online-only files, a green checkmark for locally available files, and a solid green circle with a white checkmark for files marked to be always available offline. And there you have it. You've successfully activated and turned on OneDrive files on demand in Windows 11 and 10, giving you greater control over your file storage and accessibility. Your files are now ready to use on demand, ensuring that your device's storage space is optimized without losing easy access to your important documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.